But the big news is coming in from Kolkata. A CBI team in Kolkata, in fact, will be submitting a report to the new director, Rishi Kumar Shukla, over last night's fiasco. CBI officials will submit the report on Mamata Banerjee's dharna as well before the new CBI director, who has just a few minutes ago taken charge. So that is the latest update that we are getting. All of the information is going to be now provided to the new CBI director, Rishi Kumar Shukla, who's just taken over a short while ago. CBI team in Kolkata will submit their information, their reports to the new director, Rishi Kumar Shukla, over just what happened last night when the chief minister paced a stage in the heart of Kolkata after spending a wakeful night without any resources in this massive showdown with the central government. So that's the update coming in right now in the midst of this massive face-off, this massive showdown between the Trinamool Congress chief Mamata Banerjee engaging with the central government over an investigation for which the CBI officers in Kolkata actually wanted to question the city police chief. Munish Pandey joins us for more on this. And Munish, what a time it is for the new CBI director to take over amidst this crisis brewing in Kolkata. Tell us about the report that is going to be handed over to him by the CBI team in Kolkata.
Yeah, well, as we speak, there is a meeting underway between the new CBI director Rishi Kumar Shukla and the senior officials of CBI. Also, the part of meeting are the officials who are investigating the Sharda scam, and they are briefing about the case and also what they think are the evidence which has been destroyed or not submitted before the CBI by the then SIT headed by the Kolkata Police Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. At this point, CBI is also preparing a list of evidence which they think Rajiv Kumar and the then SIT has not submitted to them, and the same list will now go to the law officers of Central Bureau of Investigation, and tomorrow at Supreme Court they will be submitting the documents. Now it is very crucial for Rishi Kumar Shukla because not only this is his first day, but also he has come at a point when the agency is under crisis, and now there are historic events which has taken place between CBI and Kolkata Police and West Bengal government. So he has a lot in his plate, and now he is taking help of his senior police officer, his senior CBI officials who are already probing this case.
But what is this new information that the CBI in Kolkata seeks from the police commissioner? Because he was already heading the SIT probe in the Sharda chit fund scam. Is there any additional information that they had sought from the top cop just before the dharna was started by the chief minister?
All right, would be on the Supreme Court tomorrow. The petition has made some grave allegations.
Yeah, well, Avantika, last year in August, the CBI, then CBI Director Alok Verma wrote a letter to the DGP of West Bengal, and he asked the SIT members to appear before them because they thought during scrutinizing of the evidence and also based on the statements given by few other accused that there was some evidence which are not submitted before the CBI, which is probing the case after Supreme Court order. So there were multiple summons issued to 3 IPS officers, including Rajiv Kumar, the Police Commissioner of Kolkata, to appear before the agency so that they can get clarity on why these evidences have not submitted before the court. Now CBI claims that he is a potential accused in this case, and it may they suspect that Rajiv Kumar and the other SIT members may have destroyed the evidence in this case, and that is why they want to examine. Yesterday also the CBI team was there to examine, but the way the entire drama took place, their own officials were detained by the police. They were made.
All right, Munish, I'll just come to you. Let's just break this new bit of information coming in. It's from the MOS Jitendra Singh. In fact, he has defended the CBI's action against the Kolkata top cop, Rajiv Kumar, who we were just talking about in connection with the chit fund scam. Let's listen in.
यदि सर्वोच्च न्यायालय किसी केस की सीबीआई को जांच करने का आदेश देता है या निर्देश देता है तो उसका तो इतना अधिकार है ही है ना, तो इसलिए इन्हीं बातों के कारण तो संदेह उत्पन्न हो रहा है।
करप्शन में हम लोग सब मिलकर लड़े। करप्शन हमारा देश के लिए बहुत ही भयानक बीमारी है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है दीमक की तरफ खा रहा है देश को। तो करप्शन के खिलाफ राज्य सरकार, केंद्र सरकार और सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मिलकर के करप्शन के खिलाफ लड़ना चाहिए।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.